Welcome guys, welcome to another video. This video is not fun and games right now. It's time we got serious, and we all know what China has done to our soldiers. We all know what our country is going through in the matters of China. And as Indian citizens, we have the power in us, we have a lot of power in us to damage China in a way that they can remember this for a long time. We all use brands, lot of Chinese products in our daily life, and I mean a lot. So in this video, we are going to show you what to avoid and what alternatives you can do for that. The number one thing that comes in our mind when we say China made products are phones. Yes, mobile phones. I'll be showing you a list of mobile phone brands which you should avoid right now, which are Chinese brands, and here are the list. Now, I'll also be showing you the list of phones which you can opt for. Here it is. Now here comes the fun fact. Although I've shown you the phones which you can opt for, 80% of these phones use the parts which are made in China. Now what we can do is we can help our nation build a manufacturing plant that can manufacture mobile phone parts, so that we can use mobile phones purely made in India. Until then, we can use the phones which are using right now, or if you want to buy new phones, just avoid the Chinese brands which I showed you.
Recently, we had heard in the news that a lot of people were actually opposed to eating Chinese foods, which is actually a bizarre and a ridiculous idea which has to be followed. I'll tell you why. It's because the Chinese foods which have been made available over here are actually the recipes which have been infused and modified to suit our Indian taste buds under the name Indo-Chinese cuisines. And we have also very much adopted it into our culinary culture as well. Chinese foods actually provide employment to various number of people, so boycotting it will actually devastate a lot of Indian families, Indian middle class families that too, in terms of employment. But let's just be sure that we have to boycott all Chinese products and services which have been dumped over here, rather than boycotting Indo-Chinese foods under the name Chinese.
Well, PUBG, as you all might be knowing it as a South Korean game. But they joined with Tencent, a Chinese company, to enter the China market. So what's the profit there? According to a recent survey in May, per day the Tencent had earned about 33 crores. Moreover, the Android game was developed by Tencent Games, not a South Korean company Bluehole. So it is better to avoid playing PUBG. So on the other hand, if you look at the alternative, there is no equal alternative. Even Call of Duty has a shares of Tencent. But I can suggest you to play Free Fire instead of PUBG.
So it's time now to uninstall all the Chinese app. It's like we are paying them to kill our own soldiers. So see, here are some of the app to uninstall. Let's unite.
TikTok. TikTok has become one of the most trending apps of all times. Millions of Indians use the app every day to post and publish their videos in it. It has great audiovisual effects and the editing is super easy to do that anyone can make the video. But trust me, it's bad news for us Indians. It's a Chinese made app and you know what the situation between India and China is right now. In fact, in 2019, the annual budgeting meeting of TikTok, 25 crores worth of revenue was generated by us Indians. And guess where the money will go? Exactly, against us. Also, it has social and security concerns and many studies have shown that it will invade your privacy, so you can say bye-bye to it. So what can we do as Indians? Uninstall that app. Instead, use other apps, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and so on, where it might require editing, but it's totally worth it than supporting a Chinese made app. Just like how Facebook has overtaken Orkut, there might be some day that some other app will overtake TikTok. Until then, make other videos in other platforms and trust me, you will be helping your motherland because of it.
Who doesn't love to shop online? You can buy everything by just clicking your fingers sitting at home. Even though there are billions of products online, we Indians tend to buy which is cheap and best. And that's how Chinese are ruling over us in this field for many years. We are helping them by increasing their per capita, by paying them, and in turn they backstab us. Local vendors lose their business because of this. And as years pass by, Chinese will become richer and richer and richer. It's time to stop this. Stop buying products made in China. Instead, help your local vendors by buying it from them. Also, when you buy online, buy something authentic and not just cheap China made. Because you may feel that you are saving some money here, but instead you are harming your own country.
We have missed a lot of points in this video. But our goal is to make sure you educate yourself from the very smartphone you're using. Google it and try to find out about all the investments that are in these Indian apps which we think are so harmless. The investments means they control the apps and they control the decisions and they control the information that is being shared in these apps. There are many apps like Oyo, Quicker, Make My Trip, Delivery. All these companies have Chinese investments. Make sure you support these apps but try to reduce your usage by looking at from where these investments are coming, and start supporting Indian apps and Indian businesses so that we can succeed in this battle which we are even not aware of. If not for us, let's do it for our soldiers. Jai Hind. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more such amazing information. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Thank you.